Career is hiring for associate engineer post. Salary is 4 LPA. Fixed CTC, not variable. It is a fixed CTC, not a variable CTC. Job location is Hyderabad. Job responsibilities are entry level position, fresh recruit from engineering colleges, get trained in various technology and domain, work under high supervision, guidance with frequent review of accomplished objectives, experience, a bachelor's degree, result oriented, all of these, strong communication and presentation skills, compensation, fixed LPA, 4 LPA. So these are the details about this. You can just click on apply now and apply for this. And this is for 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018 batch. So please do apply for this as soon as possible. Also, Global Edge Software is hiring. It is an IoT company with chip to cloud expertise. It is hiring engineers. Ideal candidates should have good attitude, sound knowledge of analytical skills, strong C++ programming skills, basic knowledge of Linux, very good communication skills, verbal and written both. CTC offered is 3.5 LPA, mandate certification, embedded C, C++. Service agreement is of 3 years. Please note this down before applying for this. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Chennai. Batches eligible are 2018, 2019 and 2020. Engineering branches EC, ISC, CSC, IT, Telecom. Percentage cutoff for 10th and 12th and engineering is 60%. Selection process, online assessment, technical interview, then HR. Important guidelines are online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidates. After that, shortlisted candidates will be emailed the TR round details. Okay. Register below. You have to register. You have to fill in all of your details. Please fill in the details carefully and correctly. Okay. Another company that is hiring is Bitwise. It is hiring for project trainee. The job profile is project trainee, and it can be applied by students who have graduated. Okay. Job type is full-time employment. Work location Pune. Offered CTC is 3 LPA until graduation completion. Upon submission of mark sheet and performance evaluation, it will be revised to 3.84 LPA. Okay. Candidates should be flexible to work on any technology, any type of project. You should be ready to learn any technology or domain. Okay. Professional graduate in either streams BE or BTech and MCA, MCM. Only 2021 pass outs are eligible. Okay, only 2021 batch is eligible. Minimum academic score to 55% in 10th and 12th. Minimum score of 55% in graduation. Strong communication skills, strong logical skills, understanding of databases. Finally, a project should be relevance to current industry scenario. If you have used any latest technology, that would be an advantage. Design approach, technology used. Selection process is again online assessment, technical interview and HR interview. The same process. Once you are shortlisted, you will be emailed the details. Fill in the details very carefully, because if you fill in wrong detail, you will not be eligible to sit for the online assessment. Okay, so if you have still not made your account on HackerEarth, please make it as soon as possible, because in HackerEarth, many companies come up with hiring challenges, and if you participate in this challenge and complete or win this challenge, you will be hired by that company. Okay, so Siemens has come up with a hiring challenge, Siemens Fresher Hiring Challenge. About the challenge is here to support game changers and go-getters to turn visions into reality. It is looking for associate engineers V&V for the Bangalore office. So location is Bangalore. Eligibility criteria is batch of 2019 and 2020. Educational eligibility is BE Computer Science, Electrical, Electronics, Communications and Instrumentation in Engineering. Skills required: C++, DBMS, OOPS. Challenge format will be, there will be 10 MCQs and 2 programming questions, and then all of these there are 80 job openings, so please do apply for this. The job profile, responsibilities, desired qualification: must have excellent verbal and written communication skills. Okay, so this is all about it. Please participate in this challenge and get hired by Siemens. Next is Object Edge Hiring Challenge. Again, this is on HackerEarth. Please make an account on HackerEarth. So years of experience, it should be freshers, graduation year 2021 and below. Skills, good aptitude skills, fundamentals of programming and working knowledge of at least one programming language like JavaScript. See, they have mentioned that you have to know fundamentals of programming only. So that means the question that will be asked in this will be easy. It would not be that difficult. So please register for this challenge. Challenge format is 10 MCQs, and they have also mentioned two basic programming questions. So very basic programming questions will be asked. So please do participate in this challenge. Okay. The compensation is 4 to 7 LPA based on your performance. If you perform well, you'll get CTC between 4 to 7 LPA. Okay. Please apply for this as soon as possible and make an account on HackerEarth and keep a track. They post many hiring challenges that you can get hired by those challenges. Please do like this video, share this video with all of your friends and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and thank you for watching.